around New Jersey, around the clock. This is News 12 New Jersey.
And as the 9th anniversary of the September 11th attacks approaches, one New Jersey school is teaching students too young to remember that day a lesson in how good can come from tragedy.
News 12 New Jersey, John Bathke has that story.
Maybe like a bake sale.
These 7th graders at Copeland Middle School in Rockaway are coming up with ways to turn the date, September 11th, into something more positive.
I found this drawing by a 9-year-old.
Teacher Adele Black remembers how people came together in the weeks after 9/11. She's written a lesson plan that will be used around the country, teaching kids to use that date to help someone.
And I want to have a good job. I really want to have a job where I can make a lot of money and I can just, give money to people that, need money, and people that, and organizations that, I've used when I've been sick.
9th grader Len Brown was diagnosed with a brain tumor when he attended Copeland. Now students here are coming up with ways to raise money for the charity that helped him. Just think about it. When 9/11 happened, most of these students were just 3 years old. Do you remember September 11th at all when it happened?
Not really. I remember vaguely hearing about it.
For Black, 9/11 was a terrifying day, not knowing whether her husband had made it to the towers for a meeting there.
There were hours that I really thought that my husband was in the building.
And that was for you like what?
That was for me like one of the most devastating days.
Now she's hoping for a legacy to come from that day, not of fear, but hope. In Rockaway, John Bathke, News 12 New Jersey.
For more on 9/11 as a National Day of Service, go to the numbers and links section of our website, news12.com.